Subcon 2018, day 3, MTD Network are going to go and look at some parts. Derek, talk us through some of the components.
Hi Colin, so basically what we've got here is a prosthetic wrist, all machined at WEC, milled, drilled, tapped and assembled, turnkey solution. We go from anything that size up to something like this, which is a pump base. Again, water jet profiles, laser cut profiles, all fabricated, machined and powder coated within WEC Group.
Okay, this is the part that we used to do in many operations. When we were machining it manually, we would produce lots of different operations. Now we're doing it in just 2 operations on a full axis on one of our milling machines. We take it out of the round bar, machining all this detail in the one operation, and it's just up on end to finish the very deep holes that are in there, holding a tolerance of 0.02 of a millimetre.
Okay, so it's a heavy duty bracket for the yellow goods industry. It's for holding a fire suppression system. It's manufactured from 5mm thick flat steel, laser cut, folded, welded and powder coated. All designed in-house for a client of ours.
Atya, talk us through our friend here.
Okay, so this is our lovely T-Rex that we've got as our showcase piece for the show. It's been laser cut out of stainless and it's been tack welded. This is just a small example of what we can do.
One of the most intricate parts I found all week is this. It originally started off as 13 parts, but the guys got in there before me and ate the sandwiches. But look at that, etching, ODs, IDs, bit of radius. You can almost see your face in some of that as well. Beautiful bit of work there. High end, high spec, milling on a fantastic 5-axis machine. What more can I say? Get yourself down Subcon 2018 and bring me some sandwiches.